When most people use ChatGPT, they stop far too early. They ask a question, generate some text, paste it into a document, and then send it off, or have to work for a long time on that doc to make it clean and polished. And that's the problem. While ChatGPT is great at creating output, it doesn't always look to the level that you need to send it on to your boss for a business pitch or even for a presentation. And that is where Gamma comes in. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can take ideas generated in ChatGPT and turn them into a fresh, clean, polished presentation like that. The workflow can save you absolutely hours, while still giving you complete control over the final product. So let's jump in. First things first, I'm going to search for gamma.app on Google, and then I'm going to click gamma.app. It's going to bring me up to the program we're going to use today and the software we're going to use today. Very simple. Once you're logged in, you're going to see this homepage. I'm also going to bring up the likes of ChatGPT. This is what we're going to use for our base idea generation in order to have the content to create the presentation. So let's say first things first, I'm going to type into ChatGPT what my task is. So today I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create me the base of a presentation on why Pokemon cards are a great investment class. This is not financial advice. This is just hypothetical. This is somewhat of a pitch to a client on why they should diversify into this asset category. So again, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is an example of me creating a pitch to a client hypothetically on what ultimately why they should invest in this. So ChatGPT suddenly and subsequently gives me all of this great information on the slides. It's going to keep going. What I have is this great piece of information, but it's not a final product. It's not actually a pitch that I can use just yet. This is why Gamma is so important. It's not trying to replace ChatGPT. It's that bridge between the information and the final presentation in this setting. So right, once this is finished, I'm going to scroll all the way down, copy and paste this, and head over to Gamma, and then I'm going to select on Gamma, create new, the AI button at the top, and I'm going to look to paste it in from text. There are many different options here. You can create it from a one-line prompt yourself inside of the likes of Gamma, but if you already have that base background knowledge on ChatGPT and that base text, then we can do it from there. So I'm going to select paste in the text. Then here, I'm going to select paste everything I just copied from ChatGPT, and then I'm looking to make a presentation. I can change all of the different sizes. I'm going to keep it default, but you can even do it 4:3, which is great, or graphics, a brand new feature. So then I'm going to scroll down. I'm happy with all this content, and then I'm going to say that I would like it to generate from notes or an outline. So I'm going to turn the rough ideas above and bullet points into beautiful content. So I'm going to continue to the prompt editor. It gives me a card by card breakdown of what is going to be on those slides. I can then select if I would like to condense it as well. And here, just before we begin to generate this presentation, I can select all of the information. Who am I writing it for? A high net worth family and individual investors interested in alternative assets. Yes, that's perfect. American English, that's what I want. And I want it persuasive, data-driven, polished, not pushy, as this is not financial advice. So I can actually add the target of who it's for and the tone, which I think is fantastic. I can scroll down. I quite like the bottom right theme. There's loads of themes. You can customize them and select the one that looks most premium or suits yours the best. I also love dark themes as well. I think they add a bit of class in certain scenarios, or if you're more of a creative, then you can go for a gradient backdrop, and they're all built into Gamma, which means that this journey of creating the presentation is super easy. Quite like illustrations, it kind of fits them nicely with the theme. I can also select the image model I would like to use if I want to add additional instruction. I say this is targeted 25 to 45. So just to add a bit more context, I scroll down, I'm happy with all of this. I'm going to select generate at the bottom. It's going to begin generating, and suddenly, but surely, you're seeing the agent here start to generate this presentation. Firstly, I think the backdrop and the colors are perfect for my premium outlet. I can't believe just how quickly it is doing it. Now, of course, we might want to make further adjustments going forward, but look at all of this information it's gathering. 150 billion in lifetime revenue. Pokemon is the highest grossing media franchise in history. I didn't even know that, but AI and Gamma collectively have put this together. I think it's convincing me in some sort of strange way. Love the sort of real chart graphic about the asset allocation of most people. It's got a nice roadmap graphic, which I think would take absolutely ages to manufacture and create. And you know what? I think Gamma is amazing here because it allows me to craft with control. So I can actually control the whole presentation. I'm in the driving seat. It allows me to create this highly customized deck from scratch in under 10 minutes without ever opening PowerPoint, but ending up with a PowerPoint or PDF. It's kind of genius in that sense. And done. My Gamma has finished generating. I think it looks fantastic. The theme and the content, which we've already established, is exactly what we want. We've got 18 different slides here, 19 I should say, and it's got a nice balance of pretty much everything that I requested. The target market is correct as well, and also the purpose of the presentation has been encapsulated perfectly. Now from here, this is what I love. I've now just within a few moments got a full-on presentation to the standard that is exceptionally high quality in terms of design and content from a few prompts I used from ChatGPT. But I can go over on the right hand side and I can present live from Gamma. And here we are, I'm live in the shot, and then I'm just using the arrows to cycle through limited supply, where the collectibles fit into the modern portfolio. Like, it is generally such a well thought out presentation. The presentation's so good and it looks fantastic. Like, I'm gonna exit this and now I've got an agent where I can edit all of the cool cards, or certain elements I can change. So I could say, hypothetically, I've got a client, I'm going to translate this into Dutch because I'm doing this to a Dutch client. And then just like that, the presentation has been translated into Dutch. There is literally nothing you can't do for a presentation with inside Gamma. If I want to change the theme from here, once it's already been created, I can also do that, which I like to see. But let's say I wanted to make a few edits. You could go up here and you could select the actual fact of agent edit, and I could ask it to change the intro title, change image. I could send that to the AI agent and it would begin to do that. And I can have a conversation with the agent at the bottom right-hand corner to help refine and generate my presentation to the highest standard. Something else that you think is better. So I'm gonna leave it all in the agent's hand for now. And then we can see something bolder. Yes, let's make it bolder and punchier. But this is for you to judge and customize based on whatever you want. And then it's done. So from there, I can then begin to export my presentation, which I absolutely love. I select share, I select export, and I can export it as a PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or PNG. I'm gonna select PowerPoint because this is how I'll be running it later on. And from here, let's say if I had another idea, I can select create new AI, generate. Let's say this time I actually want to generate all of my output from Gamma itself. I can select a presentation once again, or even a graphic. And I would like to make a fun birthday presentation for my best friend. It'll give me the aesthetic and the outline that I can choose from. So from here, I've now got my perfect presentation, but it's gonna need a lot of customizing because it's about my best friend. Firstly, I wanna change the theme, something a bit on the lighter side. Perfect, look at this. This would look nice on a TV. I'm gonna say, customize this to my friend James. We've been friends for 12 years. We met off school playing football. He scored 3 goals. We went skiing together. He broke his leg. We joke about me being a better footballer, but he's a loyal friend, and add some jokes in there. Now, the more you give it, the more you'll get in return. And here we are. I've got my lovely presentation about my friend James and his birthday, where we go over all of our friendship. But truthfully, I hope this shows you that from a ChatGPT output, you can create a high quality presentation based on whatever you would like. Gamma really has that whole package all in one, encompassed to a very high standard, and it covers the whole entire corporate world because it allows you to translate and refine as well, which I think is a great use case. And without further ado, thank you very much to Gamma for partnering with me on today's video. It has been a pleasure. It'll be linked down below in the description for you guys to sign up and try it out with a special link provided to you by them, by me.